हेलो, मैं राफे हूँ प्लग इन इंडिया से। नमस्कार। और हम आपको आज ले चल रहे हैं अभिषेक के साथ दीवा सोलार से, जिनके पास इलेक्ट्रिक आई प्रेज है ओकिनावा की। और हम एक लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाने वाले हैं, हाईवे पे जाने वाले हैं। 30 किलोमीटर्स की ड्राइव लेंगे और देखते हैं ये कैसे परफॉर्म करती है। अभिषेक, एनी वर्ड्स बिफोर वी राइड?
हेलमेट पहनिए।
ठीक है, चलिए चलते हैं। स्टार्टिंग हमारा स्टेट ऑफ चार्ज और बैटरी ऑलमोस्ट फुल है। और अब हम राइड करने के लिए निकलते हैं। वी आर गोइंग फ्रॉम कोथरूड टू बालेवाड़ी हाई स्ट्रीट इन पुणे. दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम राइडिंग द ओकिनावा आई ब्रेज एंड आई विल बी गिविंग यू माई ओपिनियन इन रियल टाइम. सो एंजॉय द वीडियो. And away we go. Our night drive, long drive on the highways. And we are going to be checking out how the Okinawa iPraise performs. And away we go. Whoops. I could actually feel the batteries jump up and down. Oh, bright lights. This car is really having a problem climbing up. Too many bumpy roads, eh? अभी सस्पेंशन का टेस्ट है. So this is the real test for the suspension, and a lot of traffic, bumpy roads, truly bumpy potholes, roads on potholes, not potholes on roads. And the iPraise seems to be doing well, in fact. I'm not feeling the jerks too much, and that whirring sound of the Honda Activa, and absolutely no sound from Okinawa iPraise. So here we go. We're about to approach the highway. We'll go to the service road first and then go onto the highway in the opposite direction. It looks good. Cruising downhill. I can feel the battery knocking around a bit. Left turn it is. The ride is smooth. If only the battery could be better positioned inside the battery cabinet. Abhishek did mention that there were not the whole screws and threads, and those could probably hold a rubber band or something which would belt or something which could hold the batteries down in place, and that would be a good addition. But it's a little bit unnerving, but otherwise it's great. 53 kilometers per hour right now, and it's keeping on going strong. 58. Let's gun it. It's a little bit of a downward slope, so give it all the advantage it can take. At 67, it's topping off. 68. Good speed, bros. 68, it's topped off. 68. 68 is the best one could do on the Okinawa Praise. And then the economy mode only lets it go to 47 on a downward slope. And in sport mode, you can go all the way to 72 kilometers per hour on a downward slope. And now I'm going up the slope, up the ramp of the flyover, and it's maxing out at 60 kilometers per hour. So it's a decent speed actually. I'm on the highway with a lot of other traffic, and I'm able to overtake the other two-wheelers. I'm not able to match up with four-wheelers, but with two-wheelers it's not an issue. And it's really a joy driving an electric scooter compared to these noisy petrol bikes all around me. Everything is good, the controls are good, the braking is fine, the suspension is good. Problem is that the battery clunks in the battery box. So every time I go over a bump, it goes padak padak. But if that's not an issue, if that doesn't create an issue with the connector, then I'm totally fine with that. Very, very comfortable ride, good highway speeds. So here we are at Baner, where all the important motor showrooms are. And maybe someday soon Tesla is going to show its face over here. Because Elon Musk has just tweeted today that Tesla is going to be in India by 2019 or 2020 if not 2019. All said and done, I'm really enjoying the ride. It's been fantastic. Suspension is good. Pickup is great. Even in economy mode, I'm able to keep pace on the highway with other cars. It's a joy to drive. As usual, electric vehicles are a joy to drive, and this is no exception. In fact, it's better than the norm. So, Okinawa, I praise. I also praise. Economy mode is very comfortable. No, economy mode is only 45 max, 46 max, and 72 I was able to go in sport mode. And yeah, I did use. Most of the time I was in sport mode. I'm just trying out economy right now. Because what I want to see is, supposing I wanted to go on a long distance, and I would have to use economy mode. Is it comfortable? It's quite comfortable. So yeah, if I'm okay with going slow. Awesome! That was a wonderful ride. And I have been on the highway, I have been in economy mode, I have been in sport mode, and I jammed the turbo boost button and went all the way to 72 kilometers per hour on a slope. And it was lovely. I was overtaking bullets, I was overtaking Hero Hondas and all sorts of two-wheelers. Of course, I wasn't able to match their top speed, but I think the acceleration profile on this is pretty sufficient. And even in economy mode on highway driving, I was comfortable.
15 किलोमीटर हमने चला लिए हैं एंड अभी भी फुल 5 बार्स दिखा रहा है, यानी कि ज़्यादा ड्रेन नहीं हुआ.
Although I enjoyed my ride, I still have an issue with the LCD display, which does not give an accurate state of charge reading. It is essentially a guessometer, where I will have to guess the SOC based on the bars that are displayed. This is an issue with most electric scooters. Also, we hope Okinawa can find a solution for the battery rattling problem.
अब अभिषेक और मैं हम दोनों बैठकर इस पर डबल्स जाएंगे बानेर से वापस एंड लेट्स टेक अ लुक ये कैसे होता है. ऑलराइट, लेट्स गो. In the last 5 years, all the electric scooters that I have tried so far, the Okinawa I-Praise has been the best so far. Yeah. In terms of performance, in terms of battery life, in terms of range, in terms of the suspension, and the various small features that they've included. Abhishek, आपका experience कैसा रहा?
Awesome.
Awesome. That's one word for it.
So I think I give it a thumbs up. Riding, handling, comfort, suspension, pickup. Whoa, and the lights are out. All right. That was good. It's a wind up. सच्ची में लाइट गया यार.